placed an order like a week or two ago. It got here yesterday. We're gonna be doing an update on the r53. Nothing too crazy. It's just the shift boot, shift knob, and the badge for the front grille, the S badge. So yeah, I hope you stick around. Watch. So here's all the parts. Here's the shift knob. Little daily affirmation. Keep smiling. It already came with one in there, and then it came with 3 other adapters. And then for the r53, if you didn't know, they have a different type of they're not threaded. You gotta like yank it out. But where's that piece at? Oh snap, I think I'm missing something, fellas. I know I had it last night. Okay, false alarm. Here it is. Yeah, so pretty much you gotta screw this back here, and then this piece comes with 6 little nuts that you gotta pretty much tighten onto the shifter itself. And here's the new boot. It's like it's carbon fiber style. Yeah, I guess. And then here's the little S badge for the front grille. Alright, so pretty much you have to pop this like you have to pop this chrome trim off and then yank on the shift knob. So people say put it in gear, pretty much 4th gear, and yank on it. Hopefully I don't smack myself. Alright, I'm gonna try to yank this over here. Okay. Alright, now let's see if it's true. Oh, okay. That was pretty straightforward. And then is there a zip tie or something? Yep, there's a zip tie down here. Let me get the wire cutters. I'll be right back. Oh wait, I don't need wire cutters. I got a knife in my pocket. Alright. So you see, this is what hey, where does shift knob go? Ah. So this is what I was talking about. See, there's this little piece right here. It looks like a fork, and it attaches, I don't know if you can see, but right in there, compared to this one that it's threaded. Dang, that sun is really sunning. The weight difference is crazy. I actually like the weight of the stock shift knob compared to this one. This one's a little bit too light. I thought it was gonna be heavier, but I guess not. Yeah, so pretty much in the videos I've seen, I didn't see nobody take this off. I don't even know if there's a way to take it off. I don't think so. I think it's all fixed. Pop this on, and then this comes with a little baggie with 6 of these little guys that you gotta attach to it. So I'll be doing that now. Oh, I forgot. You gotta take the boot off of this little chrome piece. There's seems like there's a couple. Okay, yeah, it's got some like clips with this clipped onto it. If you can see it right there, you gotta take it off of there. I think this gray piece comes off of the chrome piece, or detaches or whatever. Let's see, let's see. Anyways, I'll do this after. Let me oh wait, I did have to have it flipped so I can tighten the zip tie. Okay, let's just do that. Let's do that real quick. Also, I'm doing this on my lunch. So, yeah, I'm doing this during my lunch time. There's kind of no way to tighten the actual shift boot onto here. So I wonder if it's all a little loose. I wonder if it'll tighten it up once you put this little adapter piece on there. Seems, yeah, because that zip tie that's on there, it's holding this little chrome piece in place. And there's no other, like, there's no more material to actually hook on the zip tie to it can, so it can zip tie onto the shifter itself. So let's see if this, let's make it even. Let's put it like this. But yeah, I'm doing this, like I was saying earlier, I'm doing this on my lunch. I really wanted to put a video out, but I'm just waiting on, I've been waiting on like parts and stuff like that. A lot of it's on back order for whatever reason, and I haven't uploaded it in a while. So I wanted just to, these got delivered yesterday, so I just wanted to upload time today. And you know what I didn't think about? I'm tightening this down, but that keeps smiling. It's supposed to face. Let's see. Let's see if it. Okay. Now let me tighten it a little bit more. Okay, I didn't have to do much. Okay. All right. I stand corrected. I'm a dumbass, guys. I forgot I gotta do this. Jesus. Let me unclip this crap. Okay, so these little tabs, you gotta push them down and then pull. These little tabs right here. Push down and pull, I believe, just to take it out. I had a flathead. Where's it at? Yeah, it helps if you got a flathead. So you pretty much just got to push these tabs, push it down and inward, and it'll pretty much pop off. That one bent a little bit too much. Hopefully I didn't break it. I'm sure I'm making it look a lot harder than what it is. I'm just trying not to crack any of these little plastics. Let's see if it'll, oh, yep, there we go. Oh man, this is all dirty in here. Seems like I might have to poke some holes into the new one. But yeah, I put all this in here. I don't know if I should have just waited. I probably should have waited until I did the holes for this, and then yeah. But let's see if we can do it. If not, I'll just take it all out. Trash. Okay. Okay, so a little. Like this. Yes. What's this? Oh, the shifter grease. So this is how it's going to go, more or less. Seems like too much fabric. But yeah, more or less this is how it's gonna go. I think I'm just gonna have to do it a little bit longer, just so it won't be too much. And then you can't do it too short because you might mess up the whole movement of the shifter. It's just moving when I'm trying to put it in there. Pause. And it's these clips themselves that clip onto these parts, I think. Let's see. Let's see how good of a job I did. Oh, whoa. Where you going, bud? Where you going? Okay, seems like they're all good. Now let's connect this back on there. Looks a little ugly. I ain't gonna lie. She looking a little ugly. But now we're into another problem, which would be this being too long for these to line up. But let me see something first before I do that, because I want to make sure that there's enough. Yeah, there's definitely enough. All right, so I'm gonna just cut all this excess out, honestly. Oh wait, I got sheet metal cutters in the trunk. There's some type of scissors, right? So did I break something? Okay. Now I don't know where I put the Allen key. There's all these parts been missing. go. Actually feels a lot better. It does rest a lot higher.